Okay, so this is how to change the screen on an ASUS, and the model number is the U31SD-A1. So the first thing you want to do, use these two tabs and remove the battery, because you don't want to work on the screen with a battery installed. And the next part, you'll see 2 or 6 rubber coverings, and one in each corner and one on either side of the webcam on the top of the screen. Those will have to be removed because those are covering the screws that are holding the bevel on. So once you have all the rubber covers off, then you'll just have to take your screwdriver and start unscrewing the screws, and so you can remove the bevel. So after you've taken out the 6 screws, you'll have to take the outside bevel off, and that's just simply pulling it off, and the screen is then exposed, and it's just sitting in there, no extra screws, and you just take it out and peel the tape back that's holding the connector onto, and just disconnecting the connector. Then with the new screen, you just do everything in reverse order. And when you're connecting the connector back on, it'll snap in on both sides. Make sure the wire is underneath the screen, and it'll just fit right back into place. And make sure these wires down here the wires that go into the screen, there are some grooves that they have to be pushed back into, or else the bevel will not sit properly when you put it back on. So it just snaps right back into place. And then you're ready to put the screws and the into the correct places, and the covers onto the screws. So the final step is to put all these little rubber covers back on, and then the installation or replacement is complete.